We rolling. My man on today, putting in work, getting his EF Civic situated. He already got the exhaust out, the axle. Doing the other axle over here. Say what's up, man.
What's going on?
Putting in work. So
them shit now is like real plenty.
yeah.
We used to get money oh shit, you think?
But yeah, he taking out the motor.
The first time too.
First time taking out the motor. And got my hands a little bit dirty. He doing the hardcore work. I'm just doing the wiring. So I already got the harness out. Got all the coolant lines off.
This shit is hard work.
Yeah, it's hard work. He don't think he know what he was getting into. Got the fuel line off here. I just took the whole filter off of here. And so I got the coolant line off. Coolant line off of here. Harness unplug. The axles out. Exhaust. Yeah, he knocked the exhaust out real quick. Got all the lines off. Taking out is a B16. What? A what? JDM. B16A. So he's gonna hopefully get it ready for the summer. Hopefully the motor will be at least ready to take out today. So he got the same one as his pops. Got a nice cord over there. So I'm waiting for him to get this axle out, and then we can crack open the motor mounts. Yeah, it's been windy for the last couple of days, so yeah, he's getting some work done. While he's doing that, let me check out his dad's car. Maybe his dad let me do a review on his Accord. Here. Nice blue. Let me know if you guys want me to do a review on it. Yeah, you know what time it is. Yeah, he over there putting in work. So yeah, man, it's a nice EF. You just need to wash it, get the fenders fixed, get it painted, and oh yeah. So he's looking for a driver's side door glass also. If any of you guys have a EF, what year is this? 88 driver's side glass for it, so he can replace that. Sorry for the wind, y'all. Yeah, it sounds like you're making some progress now. So yeah, definitely wasn't planning on getting my hands dirty, but you know, he just jump in and go with the flow. Well, he almost done. Just gotta get this axle out, and we go from there. Trying to give y'all a better walk around of the car. So it is a stock B16, nice and blue. Got his little cross on there. See the interior here, gutted on the back. Oh, the back is gutted and stuff. So it's coming along. So we'll see how this thing gets nice. I like the back. Got a nice wing that he needs to put back on here. On the back here. This is like one of those 629 wings here. Gotta put back the backlight. Got the exhaust system here. Got the rear suspension. Got some good tires on. And oh yeah, so just before I forget. So two reasons why he's taking the motor out, because the motor runs great. So the transmission, the third gear grinds a little bit. So he's gonna take the trans out and have them. What are you gonna have them redo the tranny?
The synchros.
Redo the synchros, and he says he's gonna redo the engine bay on here, get it nice and clean. I think it's pretty good, but you know, man, like this stuff well done. Plus it's that the body work, paint and all that stuff, as you can see with his car. So yep, get the engine bay painted out. Once you take the motor out, get the engine bay painted out. Once you get the motor out, and
when the motor's out, we might do something to it.
Yeah, you never know.
Put in some work.
Might put in some work. He say, "Oh, that axle is really kicking his tail." I got all the harnesses off. Harness off over here. It's a braid. I gotta get the VTEC one though, and the speed sensor, and got the harness here over here. Harness off. All the wires off. So once he gets the axle out, check see if there's any more wires. Disconnect the wire off the fuse box here, and hopefully get ready to at least. He said he's gonna drop the motor. He's gonna drop the motor down instead of getting a cherry picker to pick it up. So yeah, see, yeah, all that sounds good, but we'll see. Got the radiator shrouded in there, the fan shrouded in, and ready, waiting for him. While he's taking out the harness here, just grab me some tape, start labeling all the wires. So this is the fuel line here, speed sensor down here, that's out. Got the harness here, got the VTEC wire, you probably can't see it now. Got the other harness over there labeled. So I'm just labeling all the wires. Once he pop that axle out, we'll be good.
Did I forget my phone in the car?
He said the 10 years later. So finally popped out the axle. So now we got the wiring, all that. Just got a motor mount, and get that motor mount in the back. And he says he's gonna drop it down. I've never dropped no motor down before, but I guess he learning and I'm learning today, huh?
Me neither.
Yeah. So alright, hopefully by the time we come back, this motor and trans will be down. Yeah, it's super windy, man. And he ain't even got no jacket on. Boy, when you young. Alright, so first time messing with a B series tranny. Didn't realize you gotta take the links out for here. The B series shifter link.
That's kinda cool.
But it ain't come out.
Yeah, I'll go and try to price it out.
Oh, you gotta pry it out?
Probably. We don't know. Niggas will be watching this shit and be like, look at it.
Yeah, first time you taking a motor out, first time I'm messing with a B series. There you go. Something rolled away.
You gotta wash on the inside, you gotta remember that shit. You gotta remember that shit. Don't worry, it'll be right here. Like
put the bolts in there with the washer. That bolt you took out, put the 2 washers on there. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I gotta make sure he know. Get all them bolts back in place. And now it's time to pop these mounts off. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Dirty fingers crossed. And see. Try to get it out before I leave, before I have to go. So we'll see. Alright, so right now I got him getting a tape measure, because this motor is long. 8 series motor is wide, but the B series is long, so I want him to get a tape measure so I can measure from here down to the block, so I can know how high we're gonna raise it up. Cause I don't want to have any surprise when I get ready. We get the the motor down, so we're gonna check it out and see with this tape measure here and measure it up. Alright, so he finally decided to go get a cherry picker. So we are getting ready to yank this engine out. I chained it up for him. So I got it here. Got it here. And I got a bolt in here that I'm gonna tilt it. So we getting there. Go over and look, I'm gonna jack it up. Alright. So now we got everything up. Got a little nick on his hand there. No pain, no gain. Alright. Getting the mounts out. Keep an eye on this chain here. You ready? Alright, y'all. So a lot of customization has been done. So we got an issue with getting this mount out to get to this bolt because we can't get it from the bottom, can't get it from the top. So we're gonna try to jack it up and have the motor on a tilt. You hear that? Everybody want to talk, nobody want to help. Huh? Alright, so I'm gonna jack it up while you keep an eye on it. We're trying to get this motor tilted. Again. Just keep an eye on it, see if it's tilting. Yeah. It's tilting? Yeah. How the back mount look? Is that bracket up? Okay. So we'll huh?
Try to pry that shit.
You gonna try to pry it? Yeah, if we can get the bracket out, that'll free us up. You got a whole lot of space right here. Yeah, on this side, yeah. You got tons of room.
Yeah, that shit.
We're just gonna keep jacking it up. Once.
Yeah,
Alright, we're just gonna keep going up a little bit. Keep an eye and make sure ain't no lines still attached. Yeah, it's on a nice tilt now. It's tilting, ain't it?
Yeah, that should tilt.
It's the pulley. Yeah, it should be good. It's touching on the frame there, but
yeah, I hear it on.
All right.
Right. I will pull it.
How's it looking in the back? Yeah, check them wires, all that. Is there anything attached? That yellow wire, just bring it over. Alright, here we go. It's coming up slowly but surely. Clear it on one side. Checking this side here. Oh, the rear mount? Yeah, get that brace completely out would be good. Yeah, that's so that, remember that solid red mount? That's what's holding it nice and tight in there. Yeah, that's the only thing that's holding it is that urethane bushing.
Thing is, this bitch gonna have to.
Alright, so we're coming up. Check that side.
That's alright, bye. Yeah, you can call it fucking one.
That prelude. You still want to go down with the engine?
Man, jack that shit up.
Coming up. Just keep checking for wires.
That's not it. Wait, hold on.
That's the
yeah, this shit out of.
Alright.
One stop now. One step.
Getting up there. Alright, just keep pushing it to the car. Boy, it feel good. How you feel? You'll leave that one alone. I'm going home to the wife. Almost. Okay, push it. Don't let it hit right there.
go do the fucking one.
Alright. Put it on back. All in a day's work.
Where's my phone? Where's my fucking phone?
There you go. You can finally say he took an engine out.
It only took you about 5 hours, probably.
Here, this mess.
Nah,
2 days?
yeah, but
5 hours. 2 days? Yo, I see 2 man take out a series in a day in 45 minutes.
okay, I'm talking straight away.
Yeah.
And I put the transmission in here.
Alright. So there we go. We keep you guys updated. One love. Stay up. Stay blessed.